Why, hello there. I'm giving you guys another look at the key wave firing. More about the animations present here. As you can see, the character model is animated, he's jointed. I'm gonna do a whole video talking in more depth about that, but the short explanation is we've created, or rather, we didn't create the system, but you know, on programs like Blockbench is what we use. You're able to animate models. Obviously, this is just a model we made in Blockbench, and he's animated. We were able to export the Blockbench animations and load them in game using a system we created. So yeah, we're able to do cool things like this. I'll point out the tail, which I'm very proud of. Again, we're gonna have a whole video talking about this, but yeah, you can see how smooth it is, stuff like that. We're trying to really elevate the quality of the character model here. I do want to mention, this is not like final. Obviously, all of these combat demo type videos have been work in progress, so I just want to point that out. So yeah, there's gonna be more animations. This is just the first time I'm showing it off. There'll be a whole video talking about it and showing the character doing more than just firing this attack here. But yeah, feedback down below would be much appreciated, as well as if you have any animation talent, modeling talent, anything of the sort, I would love to get in contact with you and chat about animations. Maybe you can help us out, something of the sort, right? If you have any Blockbench experience, Blender, or really any program where you can animate, we do use Blockbench, but you know, so for now we would need that. So you know, if you're willing to learn that or already know Blockbench, reach out, please. We would love to have you on the team, or just assisting us, giving feedback, whatever it is, right? So yeah, one thing I'll mention about the actual wave changed. Some of the textures were tweaked, not super noticeable. The little charging ball there just kind of go out a little bit, so it's not clipping with the hands too bad. But it's also, you know, positioned in this position. So I can actually I'll show these animations in a little bit better fashion. Okay, so not gonna get into all these animations, but you can read that list. Cool. So we have a few of these here that play during the key animation. This is a simple interface I made to allow us to look at them in better detail. So whenever you go to start the charge, you get this nice little woo. By the way, I do want to mention Elias, I'm sorry if I'm saying it wrong. He's been the one to make these beam charge animations, and the other ones, which I'm not going to show today, were made by a previous team member named Vinyl. So yeah, to get that out of the way. So this is the charge up, the start of it. This is a shorter one that we had made at the start. Maybe that'll be used for some variation, some differences. We'll see. So, and then whenever you go ahead and you're charging it, it will play this animation. Whenever you go ahead and fire it, it will play that, and then immediately go into this, right? So, you know, whenever it plays charge long, it will go straight into this, so you won't even notice. I'm gonna mess around with the speed here so you can get a better look at it. But yeah, again, I'll do a video later once I am a little bit more, we have a little bit more of the animations done and they're a little bit more smooth. They're already mapped to the character in many ways. But yeah, this is obviously a demo character. This is not like a entity himself, but eventually it will be simple enough to just replace the main character, just start moving stuff over, the armor, the cosmetics, all that. But yeah, hope you liked the video. I'm just gonna show the clash again. Okay, so here's another look at the clash. It hasn't changed a whole lot since the last time I'm showing it. Just want to make sure to include it in this video, make sure we get a good look at everything. Again, this video is more about those animations, so any feedback in the comments, please, it'll be greatly appreciated. Thank you for watching. We'll have more of these videos. I'm very much liking this format so far. I like the more rapid iteration, like just 3 of these videos in 1 month is really fun, instead of just like spending weeks and months working on something and then showing it off and then getting feedback at a point where like it's already kind of done. So like changing things would be a little awkward, if that makes sense. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you guys are having a good time. Peace out. OMG, key disc teaser.